Yes, ma'am.
I think we have completed first chapter fully, revised it also, and I have said given 2 tests to you. One is in the form of challenge and another is the test which I will share immediately after the class. Okay, both of these refer to chapter 1 which we have finished. Get it? So taking that test is your job because you need to now get in the habit of this kind of self-testing. Instead of waiting for us to, mark you, you'll get automatic score, and you yourself will come to know whether what you have done is correct or not, and where you need to improve. Maybe better reading, maybe better attention to the details. Sometimes छोटा सा चीज होता है, कहीं पे नोट लिखा हुआ होता है, आपने इतना ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया होता है, and then that becomes a question in the test. तो इसीलिए आपको पढ़ना ठीक से है और आपको तैयारी करके टेस्ट देना है. यू विल बी हैप्पी टू सी योर स्कोर. दैट इज द आइडिया. ओके, सो अब दैट वाज अबाउट लास्ट चैप्टर का फर्स्ट चैप्टर. लास्ट मीन्स द वन विच फिनिश्ड लास्ट. चैप्टर 1 का टेस्ट एंड चैप्टर 1 का challenge. Okay, so because we can next time when I give you, I'll take your class in an online test, that is an online game where you can play, and the other division I will give them the challenge. Like that's what I'm planning. Okay, so you'll have fun both ways. Okay, yes, and one more testing I had given. One more was given in the form of a Padlet. Did you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It was about writing about what was it about? Tell me.
Paradox of macroeconomics.
Yes, very good. Paradoxes of macroeconomics, and I told you to write anyone in your own words and be creative in that, because it's a small space where you have to write about it in limited number of words. So I thought that you would enjoy that also. So these 3 are testing parameters for you. Okay, for yourself. Self-assessment, and in that if you feel that okay I can do this, that means that हम लोग succeed हो गए इस online formatting में जहाँ पर हम distant पढ़ते हैं. Okay, in the beginning when we began these lectures I told you this is not like the usual format where हम आपके पीछे पढ़ते करो 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 और यहाँ पे आप पे जिम्मेदारी ज्यादा है. What we call a self learning, self initiative rather, कि मुझे करना है, करके आपको देना मेरा काम है. मैंने नोट्स दिया, मैंने टेस्ट दिया, मैंने चैलेंज दिया, राइट? तो मेरे साइड से हो गया, बट वो पढ़ना, उसके ऊपर अमल करना, ये तुम्हारी ही जिम्मेदारी होगी. कोई और आपके लिए वो नहीं कर सकता है. ओके, सो विच मीन्स दिस इज यू आर मोर इन्वॉल्व इन दिस. एक्चुअली आप खुद से जब तक नहीं करोगे तब तक ये नहीं होगा. और अगर अच्छे से कर सकते हो तो इट्स अ विन विन फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस. फॉर मी आल्सो आई एम हैप्पी दैट यू कैन डू इट, and you will be very happy if you can actually nail it. Okay, so I wish you all the best in all these 3 testings. In anyone who hasn't done all the 3, the test I will share with you after class, so everybody gets to do that later only. But the other 2, the Kahoot game challenge and the Padlet, which all of you must finish. Okay, so with that now I will start the second chapter. Okay, this chapter first I'll tell you what it is about. It is about national income basically. But before national income, it is always better to start off with what is economy. Okay, हम लोग ये इस सेमेस्टर में और आगे भी anywhere when you see macroeconomics, we normally talk about this word called as economy, है ना? इकोनॉमी बोलते रहते हैं, इंडियन इकोनॉमी, ये इकोनॉमी. तो इकोनॉमी होती क्या है? दैट इज बेसिकली व्हाट वी वांट टू स्टडी फर्स्ट, एंड देन वी गो टू नेशनल इनकम. It's a sequence, it's a better sequence to follow actually. So what is economy? What is your idea of a economy? Anyone? Before I start sharing the slide and we go into technical parts of it, any idea how do you define economy? Anyone wants to answer?
Ma'am, can
Surrounding
your voice is
ma'am?
clear. Yes,
ma'am, the economy means the surrounding in which we live.
Surroundings in which we live. Okay, we'll remember this. Okay, when we actually go to that. Anyone else would like to contribute more?
Economy is anything which is related to money.
Economy is anything which is related to money. Okay, we'll take that also. And
Ma'am, can I?
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, economic is about means to satisfy that these are available. Sorry, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
Yeah.
Means-
Economic about to satisfy these their unlimited wants and relatively scarce.
Okay. So you're referring to definition of economics, which is about satisfying unlimited wants with limited means, right? That is what you're talking, I suppose. Okay. Okay, let's take that also. So it's a human effort, you know, mankind is always running after this, how to complete, how to fulfill my wants, right? And the resources are limited. Very good. That's a constant journey that we have. Okay, very good. So we came to know about human wants. Economics is about that. Very good. It's about resources. Yes, definitely. It's about our journey, our effort to fulfill these wants. Yes, it is about everything related to money. Yes, I will modify that later, but yes, I can accept it for the moment. And somebody said it's everything around us. Yes, definitely. Okay, but let us try and build a model of the economy. Things that we see around us are definitely economy, but let's kind of compartmentalize them. Let's kind of structure them into something more formal. So with that effort, I will share with you my presentation now. And I hope you have your writing materials with you, because I'll be asking you to write something. If not, then yeah, somebody has written, Ikra has written operation of a country. Yes, right, Ikra. So the chat box is always there, right? So you can write in the chat also whenever I'm asking something for you to do. Okay, so I'll share the presentation now. And I will make it into a PowerPoint, the slideshow, so that it's more visible to us all. Yeah. So we are going to talk about what we call a circular flow of income and expenditure. And I hope you remember something that is called as one man's income is another man's expenditure, which I think we talked about in the first lecture itself. Okay, so we're going to see that, and someone is chatting. So, okay, very good. Arya, I am coming to that only. Whatever you wrote is extremely correct. I'm coming to that. Let's put it in a more formal way. But yes, what you have said is correct. It's related to production, exchange, and consumption. Yeah. So let's begin with the beginning.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you repeat the chapter name?
It's circular flow of income and expenditure. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now I'm coming to this part where I'm talking about this. Can you read the heading of this particular slide? It's economic actions and economic agents. Actions refer to all these economic activities, okay? And agents mean those who are performing these activities. So I cook in my kitchen. So what is the activity? Cooking. And who is the agent? I am the agent, because I am doing it. Okay. So economic actions we're going to define first. What all are the economic activities, and who are the people performing those activities will be called as economic agents. And then we'll build a model based on that. Okay. So take a minute to read this, and I'm going to explain this to you. Yes, I said production, right? That's the first economic activity that we are going to talk about. And how we have defined production here? Production here refers to creation of utilities. I hope you remember the term utility, which you have studied 2-3 years, I think I'm sure 11, 12 first year. Utility is what? Utility is want satisfying power of a commodity. So every commodity has a utility, right? Every commodity will satisfy some want or the other. So the act of creating utility is called as production. So creating goods or modifying them in such a way that it adds utility. So the examples, if you see, producing food grains is a production activity, producing textiles, cars, and also creating services of beauty parlors or medical services like clinics are called as creating utilities. So they refer to production. Okay. Are you following me?
Yes, ma'am.
So I want to add something here, and I want to ask you something in that regard. When we stitch a dress, now all of us are girls, so we can relate to this. When we stitch a dress, the tailor is the one who is performing that act, right? That action. Do you think that is a production?
No. No, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Who said yes?
Ma'am, I.
Yeah, tell me the name, but I can't read the participants.
Kajal.
Kajal said yes. Okay. I agree with Kajal. Now I will tell you. Making a dress out of a cloth or out of a plain sheet of textile is utility creation or utility addition. Okay, I hope you remember this. There are types of utilities called as form utility, time utility, place utility. Okay, so when your retailer जो आपके किराना दुकानदार है वो थोड़ी ना बनाते हैं फूड ग्रेन तो फार्मर बनाते हैं पर फार्मर से आप तक लाने का काम कौन करता है ट्रेडर करता है so that's a service he is giving and he is creating utility by that क्योंकि नहीं तो आपको फार्मर खेत पर जाके लाना पड़ेगा फूड ग्रेन in the same way you can't wear a cloth just like that the tailor alters the form cut करता है stitch करता है तो उसको बोलते हैं form utility so tailoring also is a service and what he does tailor does he adds utility in that sense he will create utility because textile ऐसे तो नहीं पहन सकते हम लोग उसको ड्रेस करना ही पड़ेगा मतलब textile to cloth as a piece of cloth it's useless to us only when it becomes dress it has utility for us so who performs that utility creation the tailor does so he is also a producer आपका जो किराना दुकानदार है वो भी प्रोड्यूसर है why because he is giving you a utility he is creating a service of transporting goods from wholesaler to your doorstep and therefore there is utility in that which utility place utility okay so utility is what is very important here what I said utility every commodity has a utility and those who create utility or add utility in some form or the other will be producers or the action will be called as production okay so in your book you are now going to write 5 examples of production okay other than these can you do that in a minute if you're done write in the chat
Yes, ma'am.
you're done very good would you like to share okay repeat that as your homework all of you will have to do this I'll be asking questions on this let's now come to the next part where we say people performing these actions called as production are called as agents who are producers or firms so who does production the producers do production okay who create utilities firms create utilities. Okay. Productions of utensils, paintings. Okay. Remind me about paintings later on when we talk of national income. There's fun part in that. Okay, fine. So who all do this are called as producers. Production जो करते हैं उनको क्या बोलेंगे? Producers बोलेंगे या firms बोलेंगे. So who produces food grains? The farmers. Who produces textiles? The manufacturers of textiles and cars. So there'll be Tata or Toyota or Hyundai. All these are what? They produce cars. Anyone knows any textile manufacturer? Textile mill होते हैं ना?
विशाल भारत टेक्सटाइल एजेंसी.
Okay, it's an agency, but yeah, textile mills जो होते हैं, like there is Kohinoor textile mill. Okay. Anyway, you can do the search and find out. There will be n number of textile mills. The service is created by doctors, beauticians, traders. So they are what? All of these are what? All of these are firms. Okay. So let's take these two together. The first economic action is production, which means creation of or addition of utilities, and agents who perform this action is called as producers of firms. Namely, these are the examples. Understood so far? Shall I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There's one more economic action called as consumption. Okay, take a second to read that. Yes. So production means creating utilities, and when you use those utilities, that is called as consumption. Okay. So farmers create food grains, so that is production. For what purpose production is made? किसके लिए चीजें बनाई जाती हैं? So that they are sold or utilized or used up. In other words, all this is called as consumption. Okay, so it means use or destruction of utilities. Creating versus destructing. Creating is production. Destructing is using up. उसको use करना. तो producing food grain हमने देखा था, वैसे ही हम consume भी करते हैं. टेक्सटाइल परचेस करते हैं, गाड़ियां खरीदते हैं, ब्यूटी पार्लर जाते हैं, डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. All these are acts of consumption because we are consuming, we are taking, we are using some service, some commodity. Then who does this? Whoever does this consumption will be called as consumer. And in economics, we have a term for that. The unit of consumption is households. So take a look. Read for a minute and we'll discuss. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So when we buy a car or buy textiles or buy food grains or go to a doctor or a beauty parlor, we are all consumers in that. Okay. Got this so far? So two economic actions we have discussed so far. One is production, the other is consumption. Okay. पर एक हमको बात पता होनी चाहिए कि जब प्रोडक्शन होता है तो चीजें प्रोड्यूसर के पास है और हम जब खरीदते हैं तब हमारे पास आती है. So from producer, the goods and the services must transfer to the consumers. So producer से consumers तक आने का जो action है that action has a name, and let's see that. Okay, that is called as action of exchange, right? So when you actually go to a grocer and buy 2 kilo chini, so what is happening there? Chini uske paas se aapke paas aa rahi hai na. So that transaction is called as exchange. Get it? So the actual act of transferring goods from producers to consumers is called as exchange. Who performs this action? Is the answer is market. Okay. So when you go to a grocery shop, you are actually going into a goods market, है ना? Or everywhere when you go and buy something, somebody is there out selling it. So buying and selling, that is market, right? So normally in a market-based economy, producers and consumers get together and exchange goods where through the market mechanism. So whenever such a transaction takes place, you are buying and producers are selling, that is market. It could be a physical entity like you go to a vegetable market or a grocery shop, or it could be internet also. Suppose I want to buy dollars. How do I buy? Is there a physical place where I go and buy dollars? No, I buy it online through the banks. But there is a buyer and there is a seller, so that is also called as market. So one first action of economic, first economic action is production. Second is consumption, and the third is actually from production to consumption, that is called as exchange. And there are three players or three agents. Who are they? Those who produce are firms, those who consume are households, and the one mechanism which does the exchange is called as market. Okay. So how many actions are there in the economy? Three actions. Yes. Can someone name those actions?
Production,
Consumption, consumer,
exchange.
households, exchange, and market.
Okay. No, actions are three: production, consumption, exchange. And there are three agents. Who are the agents? Firms, households,
Manufacturers,
Firms, households, and
market.
market.
Okay. So let's write this. I'm writing in the chat box. You please copy. Three actions. Okay, let it be. I'll put it on the slideshow again. Okay, write those. Three actions and three agents. Use the chat box. Nobody's writing in the chat box. Okay, Komal, thank you very much. Production, consumption, and exchange are three actions. Very good. And firms, households, and markets are three agents. Yes, thank you very much, Komal. Okay, हम लोग यहाँ पर थे. Okay, let's go to. Can you see the slide? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. We can.
You can see the slide, no? So now I have tried to show this particular flow. Do you see the arrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It will come. So firms produce goods and provide them to whom? To the households, right? Households. What do? They consume goods and services. So these goods and services, final goods and services, actually go from firms to the households. That's the story so far. Correct. So we know what firms do. They produce goods. For whom do they produce? To sell it to the households. So that's a flow. See the arrow. It's very, very obvious. Right? Okay. One more question before we go ahead. Do you think our society is made up of two types of people? One group produces and the other group consumes? Or we all are playing these roles? Sometimes producer, sometimes consumer. What do you think? Did you
Yes,
get the
ma'am.
question?
It's true.
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
one? I asked two sentences I made. Are these two different groups of people, or are these two different roles that we are performing?
Two
These are
different
two
roles.
different roles we are performing.
Exactly, two different roles that we are performing. Yes. So sometimes I act as a producer. Let's say I have a shop which I run, right? But I also pay fees for my son. So when I'm running a shop, I'm a producer. And when I pay fees to his college, I am a consumer because I'm paying the fees and getting a service in return. So every one of us will be playing these roles in alternate way. Okay. Now, do you get this slide entirely? There are firms who have a role to play, households who also play a role, and that what transacts between them is goods and services are going from firms to the households. So this is a market called as goods market. Okay, what market? Goods market. But see the cloud here, what does it say? What is needed for production? When we say firms produce goods, production के लिए क्या लगेगा?
Raw materials.
Yes, and
labors, capital, machine.
Yes, what is that called as? Machines, capital, labor is called as?
Land. Factors
Yes.
of production.
Yes, very good. Thank you very much. Who answered this? The factors of production?
Ma'am
Congratulations.
Sneha.
Yes, congratulations. I'm going to leave you on that note. Okay, that think it's your mental homework. Firms will produce goods, but to produce, what do they need? They need factors of production. ये कहाँ से आएंगे? That is my question to you. You need not answer immediately. You can think and tell me in the next lecture, which is tomorrow. So tomorrow you'll be able to tell me these resources or these factors of production, where do they come from? Okay?
From the economy.
Yes, from the economy, but still think more and tell me. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing. I'll take a photo for the attendance. It's about less than 5 minutes remaining. Yeah, if you want your photo in the attendance, put your video on. Take a photo. Okay, I'm done for the day. There are still 3-4 minutes left. If you want to ask anything, you can ask. Or I can just. Okay. So you'll remember this: firms, households, markets, and firms produce goods, but for producing goods they need factors of production. यहाँ तक हम लोग आए हैं. So you will need to write 5 acts of consumption, 5 acts of production, your day-to-day life, simple. And then we'll talk next time. If you can answer my question, from where firms get the factors of production. जब college खुलेगा तो I'll give you 1 chocolate. Okay, till then, bye bye.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
The question is
5 acts of
5 acts of consumption, 5 acts of production, and
production.
and you will have to
And-
tell me from where the firms will get factors of production. लैंड लेबर कैपिटल बोला ना हमने, तो वो कहाँ से मिलेगा उनको?
Production. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot, girls. And don't forget to finish that game challenge and do write on the Padlet. And I'm sending the test ka link now, which you will do today itself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Thanks a lot. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.